Hey, Eddie.
Hey, Kaajal. What's going on?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, not much. Just showing the property. How you doing?
Awesome. Hey, I was just dropping my kids off to school and I ran into a couple here over at the school and they're thinking about selling. So I'm actually walking over there right now. Do you want to meet me?
That's awesome. Okay, yeah. What's the address?
The address is 5960 Sterling Green Circle and it's right around the school.
Excellent. I'll meet you there.
Sounds good. Hey, Eddie.
Hey, how's it going, Kaajal?
Good.
Morning.
How are you?
Good. This is exciting.
Yes.
Nice listing.
Yes. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath,
Awesome.
and 2,800 square feet of living space is amazing.
When I just noticed as I was driving, I mean, it's a walking distance from the
Oh,
school.
it took me less than 5 minutes to walk over.
Gosh, I love the location.
Yeah, absolutely. And the best part is there's no one next to you and no one behind you.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Let's take a tour.
Let's go. Come on in, Eddie.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is, I love the look, Kaajal.
Right?
Very contemporary.
Yes.
Modern.
Yes.
Love the high ceilings.
Yeah. And you walk in, you've got a formal living room
Right.
and a dining room. And then I'm going to have you see the great room, which is beautiful. So here's the family room.
Oh my God.
I know,
Kaajal,
right?
This is huge.
Yeah.
Lots of room over here.
Yes.
And look at the kitchen. Love to cook, so
Yeah.
this is an ideal place for entertaining family and friends.
Yeah.
Kaajal, between the family room and the kitchen, you can easily accommodate 30, 40 people here.
Oh, easily.
Right?
Yeah.
And look at the backyard.
Yeah, beautiful.
Throw a big party here, not a problem.
Yeah.
And like you said earlier, there's no neighbor behind you
Yeah.
and in the corner. That's great. So Kaajal, you were telling me, obviously Hearst
Yeah.
Elementary is right here.
It
What
is.
about middle and high school?
Yep, so your middle school is Pleasanton Middle School, which is
Uh-huh.
located right next to Hearst.
Oh, nice.
So imagine this, K through 8th grade, all 5 minutes away walking.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then for high school, you're at Foothill, which is less than a mile away.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Amazing.
What a great, beautiful town. and
Yes.
You're close to schools and
Yeah.
shopping and restaurants, and also 680 is like real. Like,
680 is right down
right
the
here.
street.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
perfect.
think it's a perfect commute location
Yeah.
for people that are commuting. In fact, we have a lot of Workday employees on the street.
Nice.
Yeah, which Workday is only like 10 minutes away.
Right, right.
Yeah.
And you mentioned it was 4 bedrooms, and how
Yeah.
many bathrooms?
2.5 bath.
How many square
Yeah.
feet?
About 2,800 square feet.
28 square.
Yeah.
How about the lot size?
The lot size is about 5,500.
55.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Wow, what an ideal spot for raising a family. huh?
Yeah.
Well, Kaajal, amazing listing. I'm super
Yes.
excited about this one.
I'm so excited. You know what? Let's get it ready and get it on this weekend.
You think we can?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do our mega open house on Sunday.
Perfect. You know what? I'll call my musicians.
Okay.
Can you do the catering?
I can do the catering,
Let's
no
do
problem.
sushi, right?
Yeah, perfect.
And I'll get the Napa Valley wine.
Sounds good.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's
this
do it.
Sunday?
Yep.
1:30 to 4:30?
Absolutely.
Sounds good. Let's do it. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching our tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, reach out to us anytime. Kaajal, you want to tell them about the open house again?
Yes, this Sunday, 1:30 to 4:30. We're going to have a band, we have food, we have drinks. Come on by. So excited to show you the house.
And just want to let you know, we want to be your real estate resource. If you have any questions regarding any property here in Silicon Valley or anywhere in the US or Canada, reach out to us. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.